Did you know the worldwide e-learning market is projected to be worth $325 billion in 2025? That's $325 billion with a B. And these are predictions from way before any of the current events affecting the USA, Canada, and the rest of the world. In fact, these life-changing current events did nothing but propel the e-learning market to even higher projected numbers. Here are a few e-learning facts that will have your mind racing and wanting to position yourself to coattail on this here-to-stay e-learning industry. Fact number 1, e-learning for companies grew by a stunning 900% between 2001 and 2019. Fact number 2, e-learning has led to an increase in incomes for 42% of U.S. organizations. Fact number 3, e-learning increases retention rates by 25% to 60%. And finally, fact number 4, e-learning is a highly profitable, exploding vertical that you do not want to overlook. You've probably heard of the University of Phoenix. It's hard to search for anything on Google and not come across one of their strategically placed ads. They are one of the world's most popular and biggest e-learning platforms. In fact, they have a student population of just over 96,000 students who have enrolled in their online courses, and that's why I'm sharing this information with you. Big Home Business, one of the most popular e-learning platforms in the USA, is seeking to expand their e-learning and affiliate program deeper into the United States and Canada in order to capitalize on e-learning's dramatic growth. Their main curriculum is successfully teaching the Groupon business model of collecting emails and strategically engaging with those emails they've collected. Did you know Groupon is a $3.2 billion company, and all they do is collect emails and strategically monetize those emails? If you'd like to learn more on how you can directly position yourself for success within the $325 billion e-learning industry, and you'd like to find out if we're a good fit for each other in our USA and Canada expansion, just click on Learn More and you will be redirected to a quick questionnaire that will help us both decide if we're a good fit for each other. If so, you will have an opportunity to schedule a live phone interview to have all your questions answered. Thank you and God bless.